A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. It was a cold, foggy Christmas Eve in London, and Ebenezer Scrooge was working in his office.
It's so cold, Mr. Scrooge. Can we put some more coal on the fire?
More coal? Do you expect me to pay for more coal just to keep you warm?
Well, the fire is nearly out, sir.
You're an ungrateful little man, Bob Cratchit. If my poor dead partner, Jacob Marley, could hear the way you complain, he would sack you at once.
Yes, Mr. Scrooge. Sorry, Mr. Scrooge.
Now, get back to work.
Good evening, Uncle, and a Merry Christmas to you.
Christmas? Bah! Humbug! Christmas is a lot of nonsense.
Oh dear. I was hoping you would join me for Christmas dinner tomorrow.
I don't have time to waste on foolish celebrations.
Well, a Merry Christmas to you anyway, Uncle. And if you change your mind...
I won't.
Season's greetings to you, kind sir. It is the season of goodwill, and we were hoping you would donate some money to help the poor this Christmas.
Help the poor? Are there no prisons? Are there no workhouses? No, I'm not giving you anything. Now, get out of my office. Christmas? What a waste of time and money. Only fools celebrate Christmas. The rest of us have work to do.
Actually, sir, I wondered if you might give me the day off tomorrow. It is Christmas Day, and I would like to spend it with my family and...
A day off? You lazy little man. What good is Christmas if it forces me to close my business for the day?
Well, it is a special occasion.
Very well. You can take the day off, but I expect you to come in early the next day and make up for the work you've missed.
Thank you, Mr. Scrooge, and Merry Christmas.